Hey friends, welcome back to Two Doves Bees and Gardens. This week's fig of the week is a really special one, the Italian 395, often called the I-395. This variety has a bit of mystery, a bit of history, and a whole lot of flavor packed into a small fig. The I-395 comes from a collection gathered back in Italy in the mid-1980s, likely around 1985, by Dr. Giorgio Grassi. It was later cataloged and brought into the United States by Todd Kennedy, and it became part of a famous group of figs known as the Italian numbered figs. When these figs were first introduced, the I-395 was immediately noted as one of the best flavored figs of the entire group. Let me show you what it looks like. This variety is noted to have small to medium fruit, although I'd say what we see here is quite large. Usually around 40 grams is what they are. The skin can range from a yellow-green to a kind of purple-green blush, depending on sun exposure and ripeness. The shape is usually oblate, almost round, sometimes with a longer neck. One thing growers love, it has a small, tight eye, which helps keep bugs and moisture out. Now let's look at the inside. The flesh is beautiful amber pink color and it's incredibly juicy. The flavor is what makes this fig stand out. The I-395 has a berry-forward profile, often described as raspberry-like with a deep complex sweetness. When it's fully ripe, you get this honey aroma that lets you know it's ready. This fig was noted as a late ripening fig, so here in North Texas we usually see it in late summer into fall. It doesn't produce a Breba crop, just a main crop. But the quality of that main crop is worth the wait. I can't explain why, but I'd call what we have here, what I just harvested, a Breba, and it's early. We're still in May. The tree itself is moderately vigorous, not too big, and it does well in warm climates. It's hardy down to about 10 degrees Fahrenheit, so in colder climates it may need some protection. But overall, it's adaptable, self-fertile, and grows well in both the ground and in containers. Now for the best part, the taste test. That is fantastic. You get that juicy berry flavor right away with a little tang and smooth, sweet finish. It's balanced, refreshing, and honestly one of the better Italian numbered figs I've tasted. You can see why collectors and growers have loved this one for decades. So that's the Italian 395, a fig with history, character, and incredible flavor. If you're building a collection or just love figs with berry profile, this one deserves a spot in your garden. Thanks for joining us for this week's Fig of the Week. If you love figs, gardening, and growing good things, follow along with us. If you'd like to connect with us, consider joining the Two Doves Insider newsletter. Details can be found at twodoves.com, and we'll catch you next week.